Alright, so this is the start of Thors Hammer. This is 2 days and 6 hours. This is just for the hammer part, the part that he hits with. And there's a lot more pieces to come after this. And this is just the very beginning. We're not even at 1% yet, so we just started. Alright, so we're about 30% now. This is the Thors Hammer. It's getting there. The detail's looking pretty nice. The print's coming out good. Got a little lift over here. I put a little tape on it. Hold it down over there. Should be fine. Probably a little dirt on the plate. So I think it's ready for a scrub. It's coming out nice. It's got a ways to go. So like at least another day and a half left of printing. Like I said, 30%. So it's going to be pretty wild when it's done. It's going to be a lot of work to this one, a lot of sanding and painting, a lot of detailing. This is just one piece of many of the hammer. So we'll check back on it as it gets a little bit bigger and more complete. So we'll take a look at it then. Alright. Okay. So Thors Hammer's at 79% now. This is about 9 a.m. and it should be going till about midnight tonight. And then it should finish, at least with this part of the project, which is the main hammer part. The detail's coming out really nice. I'm doing it in black, but that helps me see any print lines I have to sand out, anything like that. I did pick up some color shift paint, some Testors 3-ounce cans. Hopefully it's enough to do these projects. I got 2 different colors for the handle and the main hammer part here. Hopefully it comes out good when I'm done. I mean, you know, I'm just taking my time with it. A lot of this is going to be in the printing, especially this piece right here. This was a 2-day and 7-hour print right here. It's at 0.15 resolution, 50 milliseconds speed, something like that. But it's coming out good, and there's some supports in there. I don't know if you can see these supports. I can put a light on it. So you can see some of the supports in here. It's just for the threaded rod goes through. You put a metal rod through here. This is a little more support. This makes it a little stronger at the end. I guess they say you don't have to, but we'll see. I'll probably put one in. Okay, so I think at this point here, whoop, just hit 80%. So next time you see this will be done, I guess. Okay, Thors Hammer is complete. Came out pretty good. Used the color shift, Testors color shift paint, and used 2 colors on this. It's a pink champagne and a blue galaxy. And they really, I mean, the inside lighting really doesn't give it justice, really. This is meant to be outside in the sun, but it's pretty cool though. I mean, the detail in this came out nice. Everything came out really well. We got the blue galaxy on the handle, and the pink champagne is on the hammer part. And I was gonna do something with the handle on these ribs here and kind of give it an accent, but as of right now I kind of like the way it looks, and maybe I'll do it down the road. But for now, Thors Hammer is complete. Even made a nice little stand for him. Okay. Basically, it's whoever holds this hammer, he be worthy, shall possess the power of Thor. So whoever holds this hammer, if he be worthy, shall possess the power of Thor. So that's pretty cool. And you know, holds it pretty well. You know, kind of goes on just like that. See that? And yeah, it's a big model. It took a while to do this one, that's for sure. But yeah, these are the paints I used right here. Test this color shift. Pink Champagne, Blue Galaxy, and of course the gloss black behind the paint. That's the backing paint. You got to do it, or you won't even see this paint. This paint almost looks clear, unless you go over gloss black. And if you don't get gloss black on everything, and some of the primer is showing, this paint won't even see it over the primer. You'll just see primer. So yeah, it was a challenge, but I'm glad I really took my time with it and made sure the paint come out right, because it was a lot to do here and have it all messed up on me. So yeah, it's pretty good. So I'm working on another one right now, believe it or not. All this in between starting a new job, so we'll see. I guess I can show you a glimpse of the one I'm doing right now, because you can probably hear it printing. I'm not going to tell you what it is right now, though. Maybe you'll figure it out and guess, but let's see. Any ideas of what this one's going to be? A 3.5 day print just for this part of it, and there's more to come on that helmet. So anyway, you'll have to wait and see on that one. That one's going to have some electronics in it, so it's going to be pretty cool. Alright, so on that note, Thors Hammer is complete. Alright, Falcon out!